Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it. I had the idea of tracking the middle bar here for an entire hour and seeing just how much the Bitcoin mining app can make in any given hour. I use the Android version of the app, and I have no idea if this is combined with the iPhone version of the app, but I still thought it would be interesting to see. I put the price point of each miner up to $900 on the screen. I'm only going to consider the 200 gigahash per second, the $5 newcomer miner, just for sake of ease. Let's start with seeing what the app makes in 10 seconds, just to show you what I'll be doing for the next hour. So we'll start in 3, 2, 1. There's 1.1, 410, 200. So in that 10 seconds, they sold a total of 4 miners for a total of $80. Now we're going to do this for an entire hour, so I'll come back when I have the results. After an hour of tracking the app, you can see that the app sold 319 $5 miners, 221 $20 miners, 129 $50 miners, etc., etc. This comes out to a total of $36,245 made in 1 hour. I found out that the Apple App Store takes a 30% cut and the Google Play Store takes a 15 to 30% cut, so we have to factor that into the profits as well. You can see that they sold one $900 miner, which is actually from Tron Coins, not the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. That means for that purchase, they didn't have the same cut taken away from them. We also have to factor in the money they make from ads. I don't know how much they make per click, but it has to be a part of the revenue and profit as well. We all want this app to be sustainable, and I think it's encouraging to know that the app could be making this kind of money. For the second part of the video, I wanted to show you the differences between the Android and iPhone versions of the app. The biggest difference, in my opinion, is that in the iPhone version of the app, you can't see your total sats made. If I was using the iPhone version, I couldn't make my weekly account videos. Besides that, and a few different wording differences, the only difference is in the market. In the Apple App Store, the highest priced miner you can get is $1,000, compared to $10,000 in the Android version. As I've said before, once you get past the $800 miner in the Android version, you can only make purchases with Tron Coins. That's it for this video. Next week I'll be doing a full breakdown on the free ads, as well as individual miner return on investments at different price points for Bitcoin. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you think we've earned it, please use the invite code that you see on the screen. It helps out the channel a ton and doesn't cost you anything. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.